Hi, this is Mr. Tan. I'm here to brief you on QTS, the Quality of Teaching Survey 2021. This briefing is for all students. It is new to our Sec 1 cohorts, but not so for our Sec 2 to Sec 5 students. You have done it last year. So why are we doing this again this year? Because for every new year, you have new learning experiences from new subject teachers for new subjects. So it is only fair for us to do this at least once a year. Allow me to move on. So what is QTS? It is a survey consisting of a series of questions to get your feedback on the teaching and learning of all your subjects for semester 1. I repeat, for semester 1. And why have QTS then? This is for subject teachers to look into your feedback to improve on our teaching and your learning processes. That's why it is important for us to do this in semester 1. If we do this in semester 2, there is no time left for us to make any improvement if necessary. So will our responses be recorded and used against us? All your responses will be anonymous to your subject teachers. The system will only capture your responses and your class register number for attendance taking purpose, so that overall aggregate results can be computed for analysis and actions can be taken to improve teaching and learning. So the purpose of recording your class register number is for us to know the attendance and how many people have done this survey. It is not for us to read into who these responses belongs to. How will our responses in the survey be used? The total responses of each class and level will be analyzed for school to look into the strength as well as the areas for improvement for our teaching and learning. Since our response is anonymous, does it mean we can write anything we want? For your response to be beneficial to your learning, it must be honest and constructive, meaning useful for teachers to understand and make improvement where necessary. Your response should not get personal. It should not have the intent to cause any emotional stress to any teacher. Any of such negative response will be discarded. A constructive feedback should help us know which specific areas need improvement and how these areas can be improved. Let me give you a few examples in the following slide. Example of a non-constructive feedback. The teacher can teach very well. We don't understand the teacher at all. Now, such feedback will not help teachers to know what areas in the teaching is good or need improvement because it's too generic. The teacher can teach very well. Very well in what aspect? So this is not specific. We don't understand the teacher at all. In what sense? In which specific area do you not understand the teacher? Now, examples of a constructive feedback will be: there were group activities to engage me in thinking and discussion. The pace of teaching is quite fast. I cannot catch up. So if I look at the first constructive feedback, I know that the group activities was the mean to engage the student better in thinking and discussion. And that's how I know that the activities has a positive impact on the student learning. When we see the second constructive feedback, the pace of teaching is quite fast. I cannot catch up. I can see that the reason why you cannot catch up is because the teacher's pace is too fast. So that allows the teachers to relook at the pace of teaching. So this is what we mean by constructive feedback. How do we do the survey? You may use your PLD, personal learning device, or mobile device. Turn them on. Your form teacher will be sending you the Google link that is seen here. It will be through the class group chat. Then you can go to this link to complete the survey online for all your subjects, including PE for semester 1. Please click submit at the end of each survey. You may want to list all your subjects on a piece of paper so that you can follow and not miss out any one of them in the survey. For the Sec 2 classes, remember you also have ALP lessons. However, ALP is not required. I repeat, ALP is not required for the survey here. Students need not do survey for subject teachers who are no longer with the school. All students are required to complete the survey in this CCE period. Please do not choose any other time to do this survey on your own, because most likely you will not come back to this survey, or you will just forget about it. So we want all students to complete this survey within this CCE period. With that, thank you.